Sathariba Taranithoirak Suba Manipur Legislative Assembly Taret Suba Session Gi ngasi Leingak ki Department Taret ki Apunba Senfam Lupa Crore Lising aniga samanga kunmari Asmik Nipa Nifan gi demand for grants passed Toukhre ngasi passed kiba grants sing asida maruiba Department Medical Health and Family Welfare Services Social Welfare Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Administration of Justice Tourism Science and Technology amadi Information and Publicity yauri ngasi pass kiba demand for grants ke Apunba gi Senfam dagi Lupa Crore Lising amaga samari kunhumdoi lakh yankhumdoi lising humpumapana Medical Health and Family Welfare Services ke oiki Lupa Crore satret ka maripudra mathoi lakh humudra manga ga lising kuntrom doina Social Welfare ke oiki Lupa Crore samaga humpuni lakh taruk lising kunipana Administration of Justice ke Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution gi Lupa Crore maripunipan lakh ama lising maripudra mathoi ni loidena adai grants singi manungda Tourism gi Lupa Crore kuntra taruk lakh taranithoi lising yankhani thoi Science and Technology gi Lupa Crore taret lakh mapan lising tara Information and Publicity gi Lupa Crore tara taruk lakh mapan lising kuntram doi oiki Discussion adu the opposition ki MLA Kamunjam Ranjit Kaisa Megasandra Thoksom Lokeswara Madi Surjakumar Okramna policy cut motion sing Medical and Family Welfare Services, Social Welfare, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Administration of Justice, Tourism, Science and Technology that Tangatuna Mari Lenaba, Leingak ki Thabak Toriba Singdagi, Mari Lenaba Department Singdagi, clarification Pinaba, Pongdoke, Tangalki ba Wafam Singi Pakum Pirazana Finance ki Thopuriba, Minister Yumnam Camp Sanamadi, Department Atagi Mari Lenaba, Minister Singaluna, Marik Sumba clarification Sing PK, Madugi Matunda, Tangalki ba policy cut motion Sing withdraw Taukiduna demand for grants ki, Senfam Sing voice bota passed okay.